Welcome to Cebu Palace Institute. I am teacher May and I've been here teaching English for almost a year now. So as a teacher, I make aware of myself of the purposes and goals of my students, and I make sure that they completely understand the lesson. Usually we use this book in our class, and this book is to test the reading comprehension of my students. I also make sure that they use the vocabulary that are found in this book. So what are you waiting for? Come on, let's start. So for today, we are going to learn about idiomatic expressions, right? Okay, let's have the first one. It's get around. When do we use get around? Could you give me an example?
Example.
Yes, please.
How did you get around the issues?
How did you get around
These issues.
this issue? Okay. So in this case, get around means to avoid, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Good. Let's have another one. We have pose as, right? So pose as means pretend, right? Okay, it's an idiomatic which means pretend. Okay, could you give me an example when we use pretend or pose as in a sentence?
He had to pass of the police officer.
He had to pose as a police officer.
Yeah.
As a police officer. Okay. Right, so in this case, this person pretended to be a police officer even though he's not a police officer, right? Okay, so pose as. This is a correct sentence. Alright? Okay. Here in CPI, you're one step ahead. See you soon!